Hi.
Hi.
So,
Okay, we're snowshoeing again.
yeah.
And we're doing better this time. But we got border going that way. So we're going back to my house. And we're going to cut and through the woods somewhere. That's our plan.
It's cold outside.
It's not too cold. My daddy's got skidoo going. It's a Bravo. Because we're cool. It's a house type thing because it's a shed. We can't go on skidoo because my brother's on it. I think him and Dad are going through the woods.
I think so. We should follow them. We should really honestly follow them. We should follow them. Ow!
You grabbed my snowshoe! And made this go flying.
You didn't even get recorded.
I can't get it in my pocket. Open it. Munsey cunch. We should go down there. Don't step on me.
I'm trying not to.
This is the edge of my yard that we could play in. It goes on back further because we got a lot of land.
We should follow them.
They're going up the trail. Have fun!
But we should follow them though.
They're gonna get stuck. We gotta run, Kelsey. Are you ready to run?
No. They didn't get stuck.
Okay.
I know that Tommy.
New territory. Woo!
Limbo.
Damn.
Limbo.
This is gonna be funny. I bet Kelsey's gonna fall. We're both gonna die.
Don't bet that. Because if you say it's gonna happen, most likely it's gonna happen. Then it's not happen because I don't want to fall. Because then I can't get back up.
Munsey cunt.
Dude, every time we go snowshoeing, it's on a Saturday pretty much. Like by ourselves.
Yep. We're walking on something. See?
I think
It's a tree.
Woo! We're gonna fall over the tree. And we're gonna get stuck.
Which way should we go? Should we just keep going clear? Straight, I mean? That way? That way? Or that way?
But everybody don't have they don't have very many woods.
That way has those woods, but there's lots of bumps and lumps. That way has a lot of woods, but there's like a clearing thing back there again.
Well, we can go through the bumps and lumps and then go through the clearing.
Bumps and lumps to clearing? Sounds good to me.
Sounds good.
There's a reason I'm leading.
Oh.
Because Kelsey falls.
And then I get stuck in trees and...
Basically, anything bad you can think of. Whoa, I'm falling! I'm falling! I'm tipping! Get off my snowshoe!
I'm not on your snowshoe.
Anymore.
No, I wasn't.
I'm going again! Maybe the bumps and lumps weren't so great, because I can't find a way to get over. You know what, we're just going to keep on going. Screw life.
It was funny. Snowshoes isn't that great. Some clearing, eh? Where's the clearing?
Get off your snowshoes! And I'll bring you to thy clearing. You're on it again. Now I'm on the front. Whoa. This is
Ow, I
creepy.
hit myself in the eye with a tree.
Oh, I'm going again! What? Whoa! Well, there was a dip right there.
Oh my goodness.
See? It's almost clearing.